Here's how to check if your router is using WPA2 or WPA3 security. First is you have to make sure that you are connected to a network. Afterwards, on the network that you're currently connected with, press on that and you will be able to see there the information. From the information, you will see there the security type. As you can see, it is under the WPA2 personal security. You can also go ahead and scroll down and you will be able to see there the manufacturer, description, driver version, network band, network channel, and link speed. The other ways for you to check your router security is that you can go and search to your laptop the command prompt. Under the command prompt, you just need to put on the IP configuration address and then the Wi-Fi username or information will appear. And you will see there the security, SSID, and BSSID.